Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today, we are in Fort Smith, Arkansas, and we are at Calico County. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and some of the best home cooking you'll ever have in your life. I can't wait to get in here and eat, so let's go eat. Come on. Calico County is just, look at this, it's just an inviting place. So much stuff to look at on the walls, and if we look at their menu here, you're going to see that they have just all kinds. If it's American type food, you can find it on this menu. I mean, I found what I wanted to eat real quick. I want you to look at this Extreme Burger Bonanza. How could you go wrong with the Extreme Burger Bonanza?
Okay, we've got to our table, and I am majorly super excited because of this. Fresh cinnamon rolls before you eat. You know, growing up, I was told that if you ate dessert before your meal, it would spoil your meal. But now I'm grown, and even though my dad's sitting at the table with me, I'm gonna eat a cinnamon roll. Oh, these are warm. Oh my. There's no spoiling my meal with this. And even if there was, it would be well worth it. If you come here, eat your cinnamon roll before your meal.
Well, what do you think Dad's going to choose?
Jalapeno cheeseburger with french fries. Is it healthy? I don't know. I usually don't eat healthy foods. I just eat good food.
Let me remind you guys, if you're not a subscriber to our channel, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell. You never know when we're going to be in your area. And give us a big thumbs up like. It really helps the channel. Okay, I'm here with Ryan. He's the general manager and owner of Calico County. So tell me a little bit about the restaurant here. I understand that it's veteran owned.
So my partner started this business back in 1984. He's 30 years retired Navy.
This is awesome.
And everything seemed like it was made from scratch.
Yes, yeah, we make everything from scratch. We don't have a microwave inside the building, so everything is maintained.
Okay, we got a fried chicken here that is a real chicken breast hand battered with breading. This is such a big meal that my wife and I are splitting it. The cinnamon rolls to start your meal. Who came up with that idea?
You know, that was actually my partner's wife. She thought that would be a great idea. A lot of places traditionally do just like normal yeast rolls and things like that, but she had a great recipe for some cinnamon rolls.
Look, I ordered some real mashed potatoes. Even got the skins in there. You know they're real. Baked squash. Let's see how that is. That's the real deal there. Potatoes. Light and fluffy. And now let's check out this chicken. Chicken. You put it all together. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Now that wife was onto something with them cinnamon rolls before the meal, and you can even take some home with you. And a great idea she had, an excellent idea she had, one of the best ideas ever she had. I made it, and that was extra good. I definitely would recommend this place. And as we say here in the country, I'm full as a little brown dog tick. And that's the way I want to be when I'm done with the meal. All right, until next time, we'll see ya.